The bell.
Shiva's fruit, which you like it, amla.
This is Shiva's fruit.
That one, amla, it's called as amla.
I'm like, oh wow, nice, thank you.
Our journey to Virupaksha temple started with a ferry. You pay 50 rupees to cross the river. The moment you come close to the temple area, cows welcome you. Welcome to magnificent Virupaksha temple, the Hampi's monument. This temple is located in Vijayanagara district of Karnataka. This holy place is situated on the banks of Tungabhadra river. The temple's architecture dates back to the years 1336 up to 1565. It was a notable structure that developed during the Vijayanagara Empire. The temple is dedicated to Sri Virupaksha, a form of Shiva. You will also see other gods, shrines of Parvati, the wife of Shiva, as well as Ganesha, the son of Shiva. Within the temple, a black Indian elephant is also kept to give blessings to people. Tour the temple with me and subscribe to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel, and finally welcome to India. We've shown you a lot of places from Africa, but now we are at this Hampi. The Hampi is famous for its temples, like the one in the back. There is a big complex. We will go through there. There's an entrance. You pay about like 500 rupees, and then there are a lot of shrines connected and dedicated to gods. This place is known from the Ramayana epic. In Hindu, there is a lot of epic, lot of stories with many gods, and this place is connected with Shiva and Parvati. So there is a lot of people. They want to take a picture with me. So I will make that, and then I will show you the place inside. Enjoy this World Heritage, this UNESCO place. So Hampi was the capital of Vijayanagara. I don't know if I'm able to pronounce it correctly. Vijayanagara Empire. It was admired by the Portuguese, by the Persian. When they came here, they saw it as the most beautiful city. It was the second most prosperous and biggest city in the medieval world, right after Beijing. However, it was abandoned in 1565. It's dated back to 2nd century. In 1565, it was abandoned due to some wars with some Muslim empires. In Indian mythology, there is thousands of gods, and also they believe that the cows are saint. So here there are some statues, a lot of beautiful decoration. Just have a look and enjoy it. Oh, thank you. Dhanyavad. Now, finally. Oh, this is something that a trick. Thank you. Hampi, this complex of Hindu temples, has about 4,000 square hectares with a buffer zone of 20,000. The whole site became a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1986. Here there is some bath where the people used to come and do the rituals. Nowadays they do it in the river. Here there is a shrine or something, so they are burning these things. The Indians love it a lot with the different scents and smells and decorations with the flowers. It looks very beautiful. Like these kind of shrines are all over, not only all over this Hampi, but all over India. So let's come and explore the temple. Wow, look at all the here columns, all the details, all the decorations, the drum. I think that has some purpose to call for the prayers or something. Wow, and here are people worshipping and commemorating, I guess, something. Wow, and even if you would look up all the details, all the columns have some statues. Wow. So have a look. I guess they paint something down, then they put the pot, lit the candle, decorate it around. It's very cute. Look, they keep an elephant here, but he's chained. He doesn't really have much space. He's turning. They paint him and everything. He's a bit bigger. I don't know if it's just exactly this one, but the Indian elephants, they look to be bigger and darker, and they have like hair. So he just got something to eat. This is my favorite goat, Ganesha. Come closer. The elephant. This might be Kali. There is a goddess. I think she was black, and she's not good. I think she's a bit. He's good. He's a monkey face. Here's something Sir Pampadeli and then VirupakshaTemple. But inside there are no pictures allowed, so I think that's where the people do most of the worships. We will just go through and then we'll tell you how was it. So there are two shrines. One there is Parvati, the wife of Shiva. There is like a gate with the first one was stone, black stone, and then gold, and then there is the statue of Parvati, the wife of Shiva, and here there is another statue of Lakshmi, that's the wife of Vishnu. So you can come here. There is a guy traditionally dressed. You take the powder, he puts it. Have a look. And then there's a light, so you can take the light and you can like put a blessing on you. So and then also people were on the floor worshiping. Very, very spiritual place. This is some ritual for who? For specific god for Lord Shiva. So they just decorate like randomly. They put the color.
Yeah, yeah. Flowers and all, they decorate with like this and all.
And then they light. Oh, also the scent. So you said it's every year.
Yes.
They come here just for this.
Yes, every
Oh.
year, not like they'll come, often they'll come.
Uh-huh.
For this special occasion, they'll come and worship.
Oh,
In the
okay.
month of November. 1 month.
Wow. Very beautiful. So they put these clay pots. They put like these stakes and some flowers, and they send it on the river. Let's do some selfies. Everybody, you'll be in the video. Everybody say hi. Subscribe.